When it comes to my mattresses, my couch, my upholstered furniture, I want more than what a standard vacuum can provide. And I am thrilled that uwant just gifted me their M700 Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, as this is so much more. And in this video, I'm going to show you everything you want to know about this and put it to the test. Now, I already unboxed it, as you can see. It's a handheld vacuum that has 20 kPa suction that you only are going to use on your upholstered furniture, so you're not going to be rubbing this all over the ground. So that's great all on its own, but this is so much more in that it has UV light and infrared light, and it heats the air, so you have heated circulation of the air into what you're cleaning. And on top of that, it even has an option to add Aroma Therapy, which can help with infestations and with overall scent. So there is a lot going on. Now it does come apart right here. You have a little button to pop off the dustbin, and the dustbin just opens right up, very easy to clean. And then it has a very simple filter right here. So you can just wash this over time, just make sure it's fully dry before you use it again. And it does come with extra filters, so you have 3 to swap with. It also comes with a little brush to clean out as needed. And again, pops it right back in. Really nice and easy. And then on the front of the vacuum, you can see that there is another little filter right here over the air circulation. And on the bottom, you can pop off the brush so you can get in here and clean this easily as well. So really straightforward, easy to clean all the parts. I like that the brush itself has almost like rubbery bristles to really grab everything. And it also has a bit of a lint roller element right here. And then of course it has that circulation and those lights. I can't wait to put this to the test. Now you can add any aromatherapy you want to this, and you don't have to, but uwant does give you a little aromatherapy to start with. And this one is a mixture of essential oils. It has green Szechuan peppercorn, clove, chitpine fruit oil, I might be pronouncing that wrong, oregano, and saffora root. Some of those I'm unfamiliar with, but I'm very curious what this smells like here. Let's get it out. It smells a little bit like a men's cologne meets fresh linens at a luxury hotel. That's how I'm gonna describe this. But it's surprisingly lovely. And all you're gonna do with this is open up. There's a little opening right here that you just pop open to add any essential oils you want. And so I'm just gonna add some in, and you don't even need to add that much. Well, let's go put this to the test. Now I'm gonna start by using this on a couch, and I really wanna show you all the features. So when I turn it on, it's gonna be really loud, but you're gonna see all of the options here, and I'll show you the bottom as well. Now the coolest part about that to me is that I can feel the heat that it is pushing through the surface of this, really working on cleaning out anything in the top layers. You can also see when I push forward, they would go red, and that's the UV light and red light. I can't show it to you by lifting it up because it has safety features that turn those off when it's lifted up. I actually bet they are these, so I might test that in a moment here. And while I don't know if you saw all of the icons on this, it's kind of hard to show them because the infrared light one will only show when it's touching the surface. And then it has the smart cleaning, anti-mite cleaning, and the heated cleaning lights. So it shows you all of those. Now I only vacuumed this small section here, and I actually got a lot of gunk out. I'm actually kind of grossed out by that and surprised, since I just vacuumed this couch. It shouldn't have had that much debris in it. I'm not surprised by the hair though, because this is my cat's favorite place to sleep. And I can definitely see that it pulled up a lot of cat hair. Let me see if when I turn it on and hold down these buttons, if it will light up for you. Oh yeah. And there were those infrared lights. So this is doing a beautiful job on my couch. Obviously, I want to keep cleaning my couch, but I know I need to show this on a mattress, so let's do that real quick. Now I'm going to clean my daughter's mattress. She has a bunk bed. I'm sure you can see that in this shot, but this definitely could use a good vacuuming. So let's turn it on and check it out. Now everything looks wonderful. I feel so good using a vacuum cleaner that hasn't been on the floor, so I'm not bringing any floor debris up onto my daughter's mattress. I also love and can feel the heat when it's vacuuming. I love that it's using that infrared and UV light and that heat circulation just for deeper penetration, deeper cleaning, more sanitization in general. And I would say that the aromatherapy is very mild. It could be stronger if you use more and if you use stronger oils, but there is just the lightest, barely noticeable scent of just something cleaner. This is fantastic. You may at first be wondering, why do I need this? I already have a vacuum, and I get you there. But when it comes down to it, I don't like using my vacuum on my mattress, on my upholstery. It also doesn't do as much. With the UV, with the infrared, the heat, the aromatherapy, and the fact that this is only being used on your bedding and your upholstery, so it's not getting anything else wound up in it, just makes it ideal. If you want to keep your mattresses and upholstery fresher, cleaner, longer, lasting longer, all the good stuff, I think you're gonna love this uwant Mattress Vacuum Cleaner.